and sometimes we detect things we can't immediately explain.
More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored.
In 1997, underwater sensors recorded a massive sound.
It became known as the Bloop.
It was louder than any known marine animal.
Some believed it was a creature larger than a blue whale.
But scientists kept studying the data. Years later, the sound matched ice quakes from cracking Antarctic glaciers.
And yet, the deep ocean still holds real anomalies. Creatures that survive without sunlight. Underwater lakes that can't mix with surrounding seawater. The ocean doesn't need monsters to be mysterious.
It's not what we imagined in the deep. It's what we haven't discovered yet.